Hey guys, I have the same problem on my system. What you have to do, I will be doing in front of you to fix this issue. So in the first step, simply right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Then on this window we need to click on run new task. Then select browse button, and then we need to select this PC. Then open C drive, then open Windows folder, and then find out system32 folder. Just scroll down and you'll get that. So double click on it to open it, and in this system32 folder we need to find out cmd file. So just scroll down and here you will get it. Simply select it and click on open. Now check this box to create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. So on this window we need to execute some commands. So type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Simply type in gp update and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes. So just wait it. After that, type in chkdsk space c colon and hit enter. Again wait for some time to complete the process. Stage 1 will examine the basic file system structure. Then stage 2 will examine the file name linkage, and stage 3 will examine the security descriptor. Once done, we need to type exit to close this window and simply move to the last step. Simply right click on the task, the Windows icon, select settings. On this window we need to select the privacy and security, and then on this window just scroll down, keep scrolling down and find out the microphone. Click on it, and from here we need to enable this option, microphone access. After that we need to enable this option, let apps access your microphone, and we need to enable all these options. And again the last one, enable this, desktop apps can access your microphone. So after that, close this window and simply restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you are good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.